It's no doubt morning is my favorite time of day. And oh my goodness, to walk out and listen to the birds singing and see the beautiful clouds in the sky and all the colors of fall. God is truly an amazing artist, and I am so blessed to be surrounded by this beauty here on our homestead. And some days I just want to stand here and look and listen. So listen to the birds and enjoy the beautiful creation that God has made. Please enjoy some of the fall beauty from our neck of the woods.